Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this week I did a set of Flexi Press tips on my nails. I used the coffin shaped ones and they are not pre-buffed, so I did have to buff them myself, and I buffed my nail as well, obviously. So I just applied a base coat to a layer of base coat to my nails, cured that for 30 seconds in my LED lamp, and then I applied strengthener to my nail. And I also applied the strengthener to the underside of the Flexi Press tip, and then turned that over and placed that down on my nail. So I do actually have a little LED flashlight, handheld one, that I just sort of do like this. I just use it like that just to give it a quick flash cure, and then I cure it properly in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So I shortened them because I haven't worn my nails long for a very long time. So I did have them a little bit shorter than what I used to do. And I kept the coffin shape. So I just file around the cuticle area to make sure that that sits nice and flush with my cuticle. And then I go in with a buffer and just buff off the natural shine of that nail. And then I also put a layer of top coat underneath of that nail and cure that for 60 seconds. And that kind of just gives it a little bit of extra strength. And then I've got this 4-in-1 gel polish in the shade Chrissy. This is one of the new gel polishes that I've received from Beauty. And you don't need base coat or top coat, it's all in one. So I just apply 2 coats of this to my nail and cured each layer in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then that is my thumbnail finished. So I did this on all of my nails with the Flexi Press tips. Obviously I don't need to show you me doing that on each and every nail, so I just showed you how I did it on my thumbnail. And then on the rest of my nails here, I just went in with the I've got the 4-in-1 gel polish in the shade Chrissy again, and I just go in with 2 coats of that. Then I went in with a layer of my Beauty non-wipe gel top coat, cured that for about 50 seconds, and then I went in with my my mirror chrome powder from Beauty. And then once I applied that to my nail, I went in with my top coat, and I really like the effect that this gives because you can kind of still see the colour underneath almost, but it's got like that mirror top into it, which I really love. Kind of makes it metallic, and I really like that. So I cure that for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. Then on my middle finger, I went in with both colours. I've got Chrissy and Becky from in the Beauty range, in the 4-in-1 gel polish range. So I go down the one side of my nail with Chrissy, and then with Becky I go down the other side of my nail, and then with the clean brush I go down in the middle of those 2 colours to blend them together nicely. And then I cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I go in the same with another coat of those colours in the same way, and I just go down the middle and blend it nicely. And they kind of look like those sweets. What are they called? I can't remember what those sweets are called. But anyway, they look. If you can remember what those sweets are called, let me know, because they just look like them sweets. Anyway, so with my gel polish in the shade Sugar Coating, I just go down in my favourite ombre style with a detail brush, just starting at the cuticle area, and I just fade it down. Cure that for 30 seconds, and then I go in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat and cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And I really like that nail. I think that's my favourite. So then on my ring finger, I went in with the shade Becky in the 4-in-1 gel polish. I really do like this colour. It's like a peachy, salmony colour. I really love it. It's so cute. Anyway, I do apply 2 coats of this to my nail, curing each coat in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then what I do is I have my Beauty jewellery gel. I just apply a little bit of that to the top part of my nail. And then I have these beautiful like rhinestones, a mixture of rhinestones and glitter and I don't know what they're called, alloys. They're like little bits of nail art. They're amazing. I love them. So these are from Beauty. How cute are these little things? I don't know what they're called. Little alloys and nail art decorations and rhinestones. And anyway, so I use the jewellery gel to apply them to the nail with. And then I apply a layer of my top coat. I do use the thin brush just to make sure that I can get into all the little round by the rhinestones and things like that, just to make sure that I cover it all properly. And then I just go over it with my non-wipe UV gel top coat and cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So then again, with my little finger, again, I go in with the shade Becky and apply 2 coats of this colour to my nail. And then again, I just apply my Beauty jewellery gel to the area where I'm going to place the little rhinestones. Here, the rhinestones, so cute. And then I just use my gel brush and just apply a little line of the jewellery gel down that nail. And then I apply the rhinestones on that jewellery gel. So then I cure that in my LED lamp so that those rhinestones are firmly stuck in place, which is why I love the jewellery gel. It's just so good. Rhinestones just absolutely stay in place. I love it. And the crystals stay in place. It's brilliant. Anyway, so then I go in with, after I've cured that, I go in with my top coat and cure that for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. And that is the design on my nails. So I really do hope you enjoy watching this video this week, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, as always, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And all the items that I used in this video will be in the description box below for you to check them out, along with my discount code for you all to take advantage of. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care now. Bye.